Today we have a Hardinge Conquest T42SP Super Precision. Serial number SGET-42SP. Machine has a FANUC 18T control. This is a big bore machine. It has a 20C collet capacity. An upper turret with live tooling. We have an end working turret here. The machine also comes with a Hardinge harmatic bar feed that has full C-axis, and we're going to run it. Doing the main spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. $2,000. $3,000. That's $3,500. All right. Show you the C-axis. Now we're on the live tool that's mounted. Machine has 4 live tools with it.
That's
500 RPM. 1,500.
2,500.
Nice and quiet. We're going to go up to 3,500. It's 3,500 on the live tool. Axes are quiet. Turret index is good. We'll do the lower turret. All right. Machine can be inspected under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching the video.